I love Tripuri food, man. I love Tripuri food. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook a delicious Muya or Tripuri recipe where the pork will be cooked with dried bamboo shoot and an alkaline solution locally known as khar. You can use cooking soda instead of it along with other ingredients. And traditionally we call it Wahan by Muya, Kwran, Chakhwi. This dish is a true reflection of Tripuri tribal food, which is oil free and can be served as a main course during your meals. But before we proceed, let me tell you that I am using a Julian bamboo shoot since this is the only thing that I have. Back in Tripura, we use large chunks of bamboo shoot which are sun dried, and then you have to rinse it thoroughly multiple times. And now let's check out the ingredients. But before that, please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not yet and watch the video till the end. Pork, dried bamboo shoots, chana dal or Bengal gram which is soaked in water for more than an hour, rice flour paste, that's rice flour mixed with water and then pounded into a fine paste, roughly pounded ginger, salt, khar, you can use cooking soda if you don't have one, and slit green chilies. Now let's start cooking. First add your pork pieces into your pan. Then turn on the stove on a low flame and open cook it for 10 minutes. Stir and wait for another 5 minutes. Once the fat begins to release, add your slit green chilies, dried bamboo shoot, ginger, soaked Bengal gram, and salt as per taste. Stir, cook it for 5 minutes. Now add your khar or cooking soda, add 3 cups of water, open cook it on a low flame for 20 to 30 minutes, occasionally stirring between. Now add your rice flour paste into the gravy. Keep stirring and ensure that there are no lumps. Let the dish continue cooking in this way for 10 minutes. Once the gravy achieves the consistency of your choice, it's ready to be served. So guys, our delicious pork recipe is all set and looks so yummy. And although the color may not be as bright, but let me tell you, the taste is going to be really kick-ass. And we are going to dig in some time. But before that, let's see how the gravy looks. If you can see, the rice flour has thickened the gravy perfectly into this creamy texture. Yeah, and if you do not like a thick consistency like me, then please go ahead and feel free to add extra water. Yeah, this Also, to let you know, this entire dish has to be open cooked because khar has a tendency of getting froth, so which can spill and make your entire gas stove messy. So in order to prevent that, traditionally we never cover and cook, and only open cook whenever we add khar. I hope this tip will help you. If you have not tried any khar or cooking soda recipes like what we have in Northeast India quite often, and the pork is looking really delicious. Look how chunky it is. You can get the fragrance of the green chilies as well as the bamboo shoot and khar, of course. And also to go along, I have some pumpkin, which is going to be accompanied by my steamed rice. Yeah, this pumpkin is only cooked with oil, turmeric powder, salt and green chilies, and then cooked for a long period of time on low flame. And this is how we prefer in Northeast. I hope you guys are enjoying watching my recipe videos, and do consider sharing it with your friends and family so that they can enjoy delicious meals just like me. And it's the moment of truth. Superb, 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 superb. The dish is really comforting, and there's a whole new texture that goes on, and the balance is perfect. The bamboo shoot has its own texture and taste, and added a chewy one here. And as you were eating, as you were having this rice morsel, you can chew in the Bengal grams as well, which is really nice. It's not super spicy, this is to let you know. And now I'm going to try the meat. It's just perfect. Not ultra tender today, like how I prepare my other recipes. But if you like it, you can add extra water and continue boiling it further for 20 to 30 minutes. The meat has beautifully absorbed all the flavors, and yeah, let me just chew. I just love pork fat. It's really hot in Bangalore these days, and I think it's around 33 degrees now. Just the beginning of summer. There's a slight tanginess which has come from the bamboo shoot. And let me tell you, if you have never tried bamboo shoot, it's quite an acquired taste. So you'll ultimately fall in love after giving it a try for about 2 to 3 times. That's how I learned. That's what I learned from my friends who never had tried bamboo shoot earlier. But now they kind of like it. I love Tripuri food, man. I love Tripuri food. They're so simple and easy to cook. Sorry. They're so simple and easy to cook. And also very rustic. And if you have watched all my videos so far, you'll see that we don't eat only meat. We intend to add a lot of vegetables into it and mostly prefer oil free. I think people in Northeast are very patient when it comes to cooking, because we all love when food is slow cooked and also cooked over a long period of time. The pumpkin is really sweet and almost tastes like as if I have added sugar. A humble request to all my Tripuri friends to share some new recipes. Not modern recipes or fusion, I mean traditional Tripuri recipes. Also, I would like to give a big shout out to my friend Rupesh Rayang for helping me with the name of this dish. As I don't know Tiprasa language, but definitely can understand a few words because of the similarity in languages. This has now become pumpkin. I'm going to leave this aside and try the main dish. It's very hot. Though I added like 5 chilies. The chilies are really spicy. Or maybe off late I'm eating hot food. Oh, pardon me for sweating. It's natural. This was clumsy. Oh my gosh. Please let me know if you want me to cook any special recipe from Northeast India. I don't mind cooking it again and doing a mukbang. Some of you are really enjoying, watching me eat, which is so delightful. You can't imagine how much I love to eat. I think all this while people thought only I cook and cook. No, I eat a lot of food. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. Also, do consider checking out my blog, which is again called Snigdha's Bioscope. My Instagram, Facebook, yeah, all of them are called Snigdha's Bioscope. And for those of you who are trying out my recipes, please hashtag me so that I can share them on my stories. And also I'm looking forward to preparing some more exotic dishes soon, which are awaiting in my fridge. Oh, I'm burping. Yeah, some exotic fruits and vegetables which I have procured from Meghalaya and other parts of Northeast. So thank you guys for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon next Friday, same time. Bye. This pumpkin is super sweet. I think we should go back to the store and buy it again.